Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm doing a review on Untitled. It's a new Blake owned makeup brand, and I'm just here to give my personal review on this product, and hopefully you guys will go over there and check it out. First of all, I would just like to say this company has great customer service, and their makeup is gorgeous. I am in love. It's a good, clean brand, and not only the brand is just like, oh my god, it's just so cute. Look at the packaging. We're gonna go through the packaging, and then I'm gonna share with you what I put on my face, and I'm gonna also share with you what is my favorite piece out of her brand. So let's start with the packaging. And first, let's start with what did I buy. So I purchased the Crew. So the Crew comes with this little bag, and it comes with the skin tint. It comes with a lip treatment, and it comes with the glaze, which is like a highlighter, and all that comes with this little box. Well, first off, let's talk about this. It comes with this little card, Untitled, and she writes a little love letter on the back, and I'm not going to read it to you guys, so you go get your own, so you get your own little personal love letter to you. It comes with these stickers, and I absolutely love these stickers. They are so cute, and I love the texture of them. It comes with this melanin rich paper, and it comes in this cute little box. Details, everything. Even out of her box is just details. Like the inside of all her boxes have all these amazing cute little colors on it. There's like purple and orange and black and white. And this box right here is her mascara. I went ahead and purchased a mascara as soon as it came out because I was just so excited about I was so excited about the brand. Girl, act like I had something to do with it, but I didn't. But I was just so excited about it. So what prompted me to go ahead and buy this, let me tell you guys a little story. So I ordered the Crew, tried it on and everything, and I ordered the medium one, and it was a little bit light, too light for me, maybe a little too yeah, it was just a little too light ashy for me. So I sent her an email. Well, first I sent the email just like, oh my god, girl, you did a great job with this brand. Everything is beautiful, it's wonderful, just giving her props. And we had a small little conversation, and I was like, well, you know, my color's kind of off, whatever. She was like, oh, hey, don't worry, I got you, da 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 da. This girl sent me out the Deep 2. Like, it came in a week's time. She sent me out the Deep 2. So as soon as she announced about the mascara, I just went and bought it just because, girl, y'all, your customer service is just A+. And that is like my favorite product, y'all. When I said I was gonna, that's my favorite product right there, the mascara, and I'm gonna show you why. So let's start with the application. So with her makeup, like I said, it's very light. It's good for people who are new to makeup or who don't like a lot of makeup. Like me, I'm in my 40s. I don't like a lot of makeup on my face because I actually love my skin. But you know, teens, or just a gift you want to get somebody that's like, oh, I just want to wear makeup, but I don't know how. You can't go wrong with this makeup. It's so easy to apply, and it's only 3 steps. And I'm going to show you those 3 steps. And I usually do use other makeup with this. Well, not other makeup, but I use like a blush, a bronzer, and, you know, maybe a lipstick if I'm not going to wear lip gloss. And that's just it. But we're just going to show you just the basis of what I bought out of my Crew. And you guys can be the judge as well. So let's go. So I'm just going to be applying a Deep 2 to my face today. And a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot because, like I said, it's just a face tint. So we're just going to be doing a little bit. So you apply some right there. Right there. See, it's just a little bit. And you apply just like you apply your regular foundation all over your face. I'm trying to put a little bit more. I didn't put a lot. Yeah, just a little bit. And I like it because it's light and it's not a lot. It's not a lot. To me, as you get older or you have imperfections, when you wear a lot of makeup, it shows all of it. I have to give it to Miss Thing on this makeup, honey. It don't do that. It makes you look like you're glowing. You have healthy skin. When I wore it out, Even my husband, that's the thing for me. My husband, he's not really like, he okay with me wearing makeup. Like, he like oh, you pretty, but he love my skin just like I love my skin. But when I wore this the other day, he was like, oh, your skin looks so pretty. And I'm like, yes, God, it does. It looks great. And I love it because it's light and it's not a lot of steps. You see, I work it in, and I think like as it melts into your skin, it actually looks better to me. And like I said, I do have this what is this, the medium one, so just in case you was wondering, I'm gonna try a little bit right in this area for you guys. I'm doing this for y'all. I'm just gonna put a little right here. In that area, I kind of lighten it up a little bit. That's all we're gonna do. That's the skin. Just look like you have skin. Your skin is really, really like pretty. Next, this is the glaze, and so the glaze is like, it's like this little stick. It goes all the way up. It's a lot of product, y'all. I'm not gonna go all the way up. And I just like use my finger and take the top and just dab it on my cheek like this. And I put some on the bridge of my nose like that. And that's all I do. Let's see. It's like you have fresh, beautiful skin. And let me show you guys why this is my favorite. It's my favorite. Hold up, wait a minute. It's my favorite. You see my eyelashes? And shout out to the people that don't like false lashes, because I don't like them. I'm one of those people. I don't like false lashes. But this is why. When you see that? Yes. You see? Girl. I'm coming back for you. Yes. Yes, this is it. I'm sold. This is the #1 makeup. Mascara, I mean. This is the #1 mascara for makeup to me, #1 in my book. And I've been wearing a clean brand for years, like my go-to brand. And I done dumped that brand for this one, trust me. We're done. We broke up. I'm married to Amico now. Yes. This is why. You see that? I found love. Yes, I found it. I found it. Hey, ole. We are one now. Yes. Just beautiful. I love you. Yes, my favorite. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to buy me another one. I hate that I missed the 20% off that she had for Black Friday. I don't know what's wrong with me, but it don't matter. I'm still going to buy this. Did I mention when I ordered this, it was like on back order, and this girl gave me $2 off. I mean, it's like $2 off. She's giving me the right colors. I mean, she's just accommodating. Let's get into this lip treatment. Y'all, I've been using this lip treatment. It's thick, it's good, it lasts all day, and you don't need a lot. And it is gorgeous. It gives your lips a tad bit of temp. Just a little bit. And it smells amazing. I don't know, it smells like cocoa butter. I don't know, it just smells so good. Chocolate cocoa, it smells so good. And y'all, that's my face. That's it. That's it. Clean, quick. That's all you need. Clean, and quick, honey. This is it. And you don't need to. I mean, I just have to because that's just me. But get your color. This is a go-to every day. And I'm telling you, the longer you wear it, the better your skin just looks and feels. It feels like nothing is really on your face. But I just love it. I love it. I love it. It's light. I love it. It's cute. It's a good brand. All her details, though. Her details. It's the details for me. She got Melanin Rich on the little tab on the bag. And just... Man, this woman, she took her time. You can tell she took her time with this product. She put some love into it for us. Yes, she did that. She did it. And I absolutely appreciate her. And I love this product. And I want you guys to go to her website and check her out. Get something. I mean, support your Black businesses out here. And I'm going to be back. With some more brands. Because I do have some more brands that I have. And the next video that I'll be putting out will be the lip bar. I've been loving the lip bar forever. It's one of my brands that I absolutely love as well. And we're going to be reviewing them as well. But I'm saying, Emma Colette, you're my number one. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to check her out. I'm going to link her website down below. And give this video a thumbs up. Come on, help me pump me up so I can do more videos. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.